A new dental robot is being developed right now at the University of Basel in Switzerland to help with tooth drilling. Meet MIR, short for Miniature Intraoral Robot. It's about the size of a wine cork and designed to fit inside a patient's mouth. To accomplish this, larger components like the motor and controls are kept outside the mouth and connected to the robot by cables and a drive shaft, like what's used in cars to transfer motion from the motor to the wheels. To be perfectly honest, I cringed pretty hard thinking about what might happen if the patient moves their head too fast, but the team actually planned for that. The robot is mounted to a custom-fitted dental splint which attaches to the teeth, so if the patient moves their head, the robot moves with it. No getting away from this dentist drill. The process starts with a wider drill that removes the surface of the tooth. Then a longer and thinner drill does more detailed work. So far, it's been tested on fake ceramic teeth in a fake patient's mouth, and the team plans to add sensors and a camera so that the robot can keep track of its position even during a power outage. Researchers hope that MIR will make the cavity filling process easier for both patients and dentists. Usually several appointments are needed to complete this kind of procedure, one to scan the affected tooth, one to remove the damaged area, and a final one to install the permanent crown. MIR could allow dentists to do the drilling and the placement in the same visit. Dentists can pre-plan exactly how the robot removes the tooth material to order a crown before drilling, meaning less visits to the dentist for patients and more time to see other patients for the dentist. Surgical robots are becoming more common in multiple fields of medicine. Neuralink designed its entire brain implant process around a surgical robot. And histotripsy, a process for destroying tumors with sound waves, also uses a similar scanning and targeting machine to liquefy tumors in a non-invasive way. To see our in-depth demo and explainer on the device that destroys tumor with sound waves, click here. Would you go to a robot dentist? Let us know down in the comments and subscribe for more stories that make you say, what the future?